I'm John Dalzell, the manager of Ditch Witch Training. I'm excited to be here with you today in this video program to highlight the new Ditch Witch SK500. The feedback that we've obtained on this product from dealership personnel and customers alike has been very consistent and very positive. It seems to center on 4 unique selling points: the pilot-operated controls, the dual pump attachment system, the track design, the Honda engine. Pilot-operated controls is a unique selling feature for the Ditch Witch product. We use a small hydraulic charge to actuate the function of these controls. It gives more smooth operation and a sense of control to the operator. This reduces operator fatigue. The second unique selling feature to highlight is the dual pump attachment system. This unique system utilizes 2 hydraulic pumps working together to provide the customer 12 gallons a minute of hydraulic capacity. You're still able to use the attachments and at the same time mobile the unit around. And what this does for the customer is it increases the productivity of the operator. In the customer feedback that we've received since introducing this product, we found a consistent message, and it centers around the area of stability of the unit. This primarily comes from the fact that our tracks are 9 inches longer than what's standard in the industry. A special related feature of the SK500 is a spring-applied parking brake. When the key is turned off, the parking brake is engaged automatically. When the key is turned on, it is disengaged. Time and time again, as we've introduced this product to customers, we've received strong feedback about the acceptance and popularity of the Honda engine. The Honda engine is perceived to be and has been experienced by many of our customers to be reliable and dependable. The new Ditch Witch SK500, it's rugged, especially in the loader arms and its frame. It's versatile. We have a wide variety of assorted attachments to use with this machine. It's easy to operate. The pilot-operated controls give the operator a sensation of great control and smoothness as they operate the machine. Package in your excellent dealership service and support as you make the offer to your customers. This is a very demo-friendly machine. We would encourage you to take the opportunity to place this unit in the hands of your customers and prospects. Let them feel and experience the value that can be achieved through ownership of this great new product.